Good morning, children. Welcome to online science class. So now today we are going to revise the uh, exercise and short answers of lesson 3 in physics. Okay, children. Third lesson, exercise and short answers we are going to revise. So choose the correct answer. First one. Which of the following has both kinetic energy and potential energy? A flying bird, bent bow about to shoot an arrow, an athlete running at full speed, none of the above. So among the four, which is your answer? B. A bent bow about to shoot an arrow. So in this case, both potential and kinetic energies are present, whereas in A and C, only kinetic energy is present. Okay, children. A compressed spring has what kind of energy? Vibrational energy, kinetic energy, muscular energy, potential energy. Yes, potential energy is the answer. Which of the following does not store any chemical energy? A torch cell, a stretched spring, a firecracker, a potato. A stretched spring. It is amazing that a potato also has some chemical energy. Isn't it? When you connect the potato with a bulb with the help of wires, the bulb can glow. That means it contains some chemical energy. Okay. Which of the following is not a fuel? Kerosene, natural gas, coal, candle. Candle is not a fuel because it does not helps to do any work. So it is not a fuel. Fifth one. Which of the following is the best illustration of the conservation of energy? So, conservation of energy. An arrow shot from a bow, a swinging pendulum, a man cycling up a hill, and a flying stone smashing a window pane. So, among this, a swinging pendulum is the best example of conservation of energy. So, the energy conservation happens in the case of a swinging pendulum. Okay, children. So, this is about the choose the correct answer. Now, come to fill in the blanks. The first question, the region around a magnet has dash energy. What energy is present around the magnet? See, at some distance from the magnet can attract the magnetic substances. That is called, that is the region mentioned here. Okay, children. So, that is nothing but magnetic energy. That energy is called to be magnetic energy. magnetic, magnetic energy. Second question, our body makes use of the chemical energy of food through the process of respiration. So, through respiration, the body's chemical energy, the food contains some chemical energy. We know that, isn't it? So, that is make use by the process of respiration. While we are respiring, the chemical energy present in the oxygen present in the air, that is we are respiring, no, that oxygen reacts with the food molecules, reacts with the chemicals energy, and it supplies energy to the whole body. Okay, so the process is respiration. respiration, respiration. Third one, plants absorb dash energy to make food. So what energy? We know that to make food, the process is called photosynthesis. The main important thing needed for photosynthesis is sunlight, isn't it? So light energy, it needs light energy to make food. Then fourth one, sound is produced when something, how sound produced? Something vibrates. When vibrations only makes sound. Vibrations only makes sound. So when something vibrates, vibrates, vibrates. Okay, children. Then next question, fifth one, the SI unit of work and energy is the. So what is the SI unit of work as well as for energy? Both has the same unit, joule. Joule. Joule is the unit, that is joule is the unit of both work and energy. We can represent this joule by capital J also. Okay, children. So If you have written simply joule or a capital J, both are correct. Okay, but you should not write uh, small letter J. That is wrong. Do you understood? Then write true or false. Now the third part is write true or false. The first question, liquids and gases can have kinetic energy. So liquids and gases has kinetic energy. Yes, true, because the molecules are moving here and there. In the case of liquids and gases, no. Yes, when a body does some work, its energy decreases. So some work is done, its energy will be decreased, isn't it? The energy will be decreased. You are also doing some work. After doing some work, you feel that you lost your energy. So the statement is true. Then the energy of a body occurs when it is raised to a height is called kinetic energy. So it is raised, that is work is done there, isn't it? It has been moved to a height. So work done means it is a kinetic energy. So yes, the statement is correct. True. Fourth question. Heat is produced whenever work is done against friction. Whenever we are doing work against friction, heat is produced. Of course. Okay. So when we are doing work against friction, the heat is produced. So the statement is correct. True. Okay. Then muscular energy is a form of chemical energy. Okay. Muscular energy is a form of chemical energy. Yes, muscular energy also supplies, is also a form of chemical energy. So the statement is true. That's about our uh, this lesson, third lesson, physics third lesson exercise. Okay, children. Shall we revise the short answers now? Now we will be revising this lesson 3 chemistry book exercise. And the first one is choose the correct option. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? So an oil water mixture and sand water mixture, mist, a nitrogen oxygen mixture. So which is a homogeneous? The homogeneous mixture that should be mixed thoroughly with each other. So when we compare all these things, the nitrogen oxygen mixture is the homogeneous mixture. Second one, which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? A salt pepper mixture, a fizzy drink, a salt solution, air. So among the four, a salt pepper mixture is a heterogeneous, but whereas in all these cases everything are mixed together thoroughly. Okay. Then third one, which of the following is an alloy? Iron, gold, stainless steel, copper. Among the four, gold is an alloy. So we know that gold, when mixed with copper only, we can make ornaments, jewelries, isn't it? So gold is an alloy. And which of the following methods would you use for separating the pigments of an ink? Filtration, sublimation, distillation, paper chromatography. Paper chromat, these all filtration, sublimation, distillation and all cannot takes place in the case of separating the pigment of ink. Only paper chromatography only helps. Okay. Which of the following method would you use for separating iron from sulfur particles? So we have to separate iron from sulfur particles. We can use the magnetic separation method. Magnetic separation, since iron is a magnetic substance, we can use this magnetic separation method. Sixth one, which of the following methods can be used to separate mustard oil and water from a mixture of two? So mustard oil and water can be separated by magnetic separation, sublimation, decantation and crystallization. Which method is applicable? Decantation method is applicable. Okay children, this is about choose the correct answer. Now match the following. The first one, uh, chalk water mixture. A chalk water mixture is a heterogeneous solid liquid mixture. So chalk powder will not completely dissolve in water. So it is a heterogeneous solid. Chalk is a solid and water is a liquid. We know that. So a heterogeneous solid liquid mixture. Second one, a glucose solution. It is a homogeneous solid liquid mixture. glucose solution, glucose completely dissolves in water, so it is homogeneous, and glucose is solid and water is liquid, so homogeneous solid liquid mixture. Third one, a fizzy drink, a gas liquid mixture. So gas and liquid are together mixed, so it is a gas liquid mixture. Fourth one, smoke, a solid gas mixture. We know that the dust particles, that is the solid particles, minute solid particles mixes with the air, it gives the smoke, so that is a solid gas mixture. Air, air is a gaseous mixture, as air is a combination of various gases. We know oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, everything are mixed together, so it is a gaseous mixture. Do you understand this? Match the following, children. Shall we move to the next one? Okay, now the next one is fill in the blanks. The components of a mixture are present in dash proportion, any proportion. In mixture, any proportion. Okay. Then the components of mixture dash retain their properties. Do retain their properties. Their properties will not change even though they are mixed together. Third one, the components of a mixture can be separated by can or cannot be separated by physical means. Can be, we can separate by using physical techniques. Then fourth one, water containing dissolved air is a dash mixture. Dissolved air, it is a gas liquid mixture. Okay, it is a water dissolved in air, so it is gas liquid mixture. An alloy is a next one. An alloy is a dash solid mixture. It is a homogeneous. It is actually, alloy is a combination of various solids. So it is a homogeneous mixture. Brass, uh, then what? Gold. All these are homogeneous. Stainless steel. Even stainless steel is also homogeneous mixture. Ammonium chloride can be dash sublimed or distilled. Ammonium chloride is a sublime is an example of sublimation process, so it can be sublimed. Okay, children, do you understood this process? Here in the fill in the blanks, no, you must read the spellings thoroughly, because though in the book it is given as a choose the correct answer, but in question paper it will be asked only as a fill in the blanks, and you have to memorize the spellings. Okay, the next one, complete the following table. Types of mixture: a heterogeneous mixture, solid liquid mixture. Example is muddy water. Method of separation is sedimentation and filtration. Second one, dash pigments of ink, and method of separation. For pigments of an ink, it is a homogeneous mixture, and what type of method is used? Chromatography is used. Third one, a heterogeneous solid mixture containing one soluble constituent. For this example is salt, sand and water. Salt is completely dissolved in water now, so it's an example, and we can separate by dissolution and evaporation method. Fourth one, a heterogeneous solid mixture. It is example is sand and water. Sand and water is a heterogeneous liquid mixture. Using separating funnel, we can separate this mixture. And sublimation method, for that we can separate the homogeneous mixture, and the example is ammonium chloride and sand. Ammonium chloride and sand can be is the example of a sublimation homogeneous mixture. Okay, now true or false? True or false? Black coffee is a pure substance. Black coffee is a pure substance. No, it is not. So it is a false. Along with coffee, coffee, what is asked? The chicory is added, no? So it is also we add some sugar or honey. So it is not a pure substance. The component of a mixture chemically reacts with one another. So the components of the mixture, they will not react with each other. They retain their properties, no? So the statement is false. Third one, mist is a homogeneous mixture. Mist is a homogeneous mixture. No, in mist we can see the water droplets and the gaseous particles. So the statement is false. Fourth one, paper chromatography is based on the principle of adsorption. So adsorption, yes, the principle of adsorption works. in paper chromatography, so it is true. Fifth one, distilled water is pure water. Distilled water is pure water. Of course, it is the purest water, so the statement is true. Do you understood, children? So revise both the lesson 1 marks thoroughly, write a test, get corrected from your parents and report in the group. And also send me the photocopies of the corrected test to my personal number. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next class.